Jessica, charges against a South Florida man have been dropped. He's one of many people to challenge Governor Ron DeSantis' controversial crackdown on voter fraud. 7's Danielle Garcia live in Miami at the Metro Justice Building to explain. Danielle.
Yeah, so in order for convicted felons to get their voting rights restored, they have to first finish their probation and then they have to file an application. Now, both of the two Miami-Dade men said that they did exactly that. They even got their voting card from the state of Florida saying they can vote legally, but they were arrested anyways. And so today they were in court asking the judge to throw out the charges.
Friday morning, attorneys for two Miami-Dade convicted felons argued to dismiss the charges of voter fraud stemming from the 2020 elections, basing their arguments on jurisdiction. The attorney for one of them, Robert Lee Wood, claims the arrest shouldn't have even happened in the first place.
My client, was at a Walmart. They asked him if he wanted to register. He told them that he was a convicted felon. They said no, Amendment 4 had been passed and he was eligible. So he signed the application. And, then it went up to the Secretary of State's office. They cleared him. He got a voting card.
In August, Governor Ron DeSantis announced the arrest of 20 convicted felons who he says illegally voted. This was discovered through his Office of Election Crimes and Security.
It's not just going to be 20 arrests. This is the opening salvo of an office that was just set up on July 1st.
The statewide prosecutor's office argued that because of the mere fact that Robert Wood's ballot, which was cast here in Miami-Dade, was forwarded to the elections office in Tallahassee, then that means the crime crossed county lines. But the judge for Wood said that's not the case. And the judge on the second case for Ronald Miller, whose story is pretty similar, deferred her ruling until November 2nd. Miller himself is still confused and frustrated over the whole thing. He applied for his voter card and got it through the state elections office.
When the arrest happened, I felt like, the state of Florida had let me down, because you send me a card, then you turn around and say that, arrest me for the card that you sent me.
Earlier this week, body cam video was released out of Tampa, capturing the moment police confront another woman for voter fraud outside her home.
All right, so I know you're caught off guard, but unfortunately that's how this stuff works, okay?
I'm like, what the hell?
So.
Okay.
Yep.
I'm like, voter fraud? I voted, but I ain't commit no fraud.
Manny Diaz, chair of the Democratic Party, calls this unpatriotic.
These are people that were allowed to register by the state. These are people, by the way, who should be allowed to register because that's what 60-some% of the voters in Florida approved.
Now, both attorneys believe the ruling from today where the judge threw out the case could set a legal precedent for the other 18 cases throughout the state. But the fight is not over. The statewide prosecutor's office actually just released a statement saying this was an incorrect analysis of jurisdiction and that they will be appealing. Reporting live in Miami, I'm Danielle Garcia, 7 News.